Hello, guys. In today's episode, we have another interesting question to tackle, and clearly, it will need some manipulations, which I'm sure we can handle. So we are going. We have three power x minus one. Sorry, this should be three power x minus one instead. Is equals to 10. We can see clearly that 3 power x equals to 10 plus 1 when this crosses, right? So that this is going to be 3 power x is equals to 11. Now the question said we should calculate 3 power x plus 2, but we know from the law of indices that if I have something like if I have anything that it says, let's say a power x times a power y, again this is always equals to a times x plus y, right? So there's something I would love to do here. Since we know that they said x plus 2 is telling me that maybe there's something that was done, like what if I have 3 power x times 3 power 2 equals to 11 times 3 power 2. This is because I feel if I multiply 3 power 2 here, I'm going to have the same thing they said here. That's why I'm doing this. So if it were 3 here, definitely I'll be putting 3 power 3 here, right? So for this, 3 power x times 3 power 2 equals this, so that we can write this to be 3 power x plus 2 to be equals to 11 times 3 power 2 is 9, which can be clearly seen that 3 power x plus 2 is equals to 11 times 9, that's 99. And clearly the question did not say we should calculate for x. Instead, it said we should find 3 power x plus 2, which clearly you see we've gotten it here. 3 power x plus 2 is always equals to 99. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.